Samsung makes some of the best Android phones on the market. If you have not yet jumped on the foldable bandwagon, the company's 2023 flagship, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, is a great choice and will impress you in all key areas. But if you are a fan of foldable devices, you need to wait a few more months to get your hands on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Ahead of their debut, though, details and renders of Samsung's 2023 foldables keep popping up. The latest leaks surrounding these devices reveals their dimensions, screen size, and weight, as well as its replicable battery design too. Renowned Samsung leaker Ice Universe, in a series of tweets, claims the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have almost the same dimensions as the Fold 4. Seemingly, this will be the smallest change in size in the Fold lineup since its inception. As for screen sizes, they will apparently remain unchanged, with the cover screen measuring 6.2 inches and the foldable display coming in at 7.6 inches. On the plus side, he alleges the Fold 5 will weigh 254 grams, making it 9 grams lighter than the 263 grams heavy Fold 4. A bigger improvement should be the switch to a waterdrop hinge, which could help eliminate the gap when the phone is closed and make it feel a lot slimmer. This is done by making the fold in the display larger and shallower, while also letting the screen partially roll into the phone's body, reducing the visual impact of the crease as a result. Meanwhile, the biggest update is yet to come. With the Galaxy S23 series, Samsung made it easier to replace their batteries by using less glue and a pull tab. With its next-generation foldable phones too, the South Korean firm is planning to bring similar improvements. The batteries of the Galaxy Fold 5 have now been certified by the South Korean Safety Certification Authority. The fact is, it will be provided by two separate batteries. They have a pull tab on them, which makes them relatively easier to replace. All these batteries are being manufactured by Chinese firm ATL and not Samsung's own battery manufacturing firm Samsung SDI. Samsung has decided to make its products and the entire supply chain more environment-friendly. As a part of its large eco-friendly strategy, it is making a lot of accessories and phone parts using recyclable and PCM materials. All in all, we could easily tell that this year might be a great update for fold lovers. We are getting thin and light foldables with IPX7 for water resistance and a new hinge technology. If this doesn't make you happy, it will still have a few more options in the market too, like the OnePlus V and Google Pixel Fold. So how do you like these new changes in the upcoming foldable lineup from Samsung? Let us know your valuable opinion below in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.